Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add white frame to the image in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then we at first insert the picture. Now click going to the insert menu option. Now click on the picture option. Then insert picture. Now insert. This picture is from the white frame. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for the picture style option. Then click for the white frame option. Let's okay. Then we show the add white to the white frame to the image in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.